My name is Craig Helen. I'm an interior decorator, and I'm helping ExpertVillage.com today talk about ways to decorate your walls and different types of objects to decorate with, and also how to even arrange it on your wall. So we're gonna talk about how to get the perfect hang for your piece of art or your mirror, what have you. The easiest thing to do is to take a tape measure and measure up from the ground. Measure up 5 feet and mark it with a pencil, as I've done here. On average, 5 feet is most people's eyesight. So once you've found the 5-foot mark on your wall, you want to take whatever it is that you're hanging, measure the height, which this is 22, divide it in half, and that's where you're going to hang the center of the mirror at the 5-foot mark.